Are you getting frustrated with the results you're getting from AI? Today, I'm going to show you how the prompt framework helps you communicate clearly with AI to get exactly what you need. To show you how this works, we'll create a study guide for the American Civil War. So what is the prompt framework? It's a way to structure your prompts to get better outputs from AI. Here's how it works. First, start with the persona. Tell the AI who it should be. In this case, you might say it's an expert in a topic that you have an upcoming exam in. This helps the AI understand the perspective it should take. Next is the request. What do you want the AI to do? And be specific. For example, do you want a comprehensive study guide or a list of likely test questions? The more precise you are, the better AI can help. Then define the outcome. What's your goal? Maybe it's to understand complex topics like key battles and political impacts. This helps the AI focus on what matters most to you. Now think about the market or audience of this content. In this case, it's likely you as the college student. The AI needs to know who the study guide is for, so it can match the style and depth to your needs. Then, outline the process. Guide the AI on how to organize the content. For instance, do you want it broken into sections by topic, date, or something else? This makes sure the information is structured how you want it. And finally, provide a template or an example format, such as stating you want clear headings, concise bullet points, and to add space for your notes. If you do have an actual example, share it. By using the prompt framework, you give AI clear directions to get the best results. This means less time editing the results and more time learning. Give it a try for your next study session and see the difference it makes. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on using AI to supercharge your study game.